Welcome dear traders, today is Sunday the 17th of March 2024, markets are still closed. As every weekend we do our MK block summary, we look at my previous predictions and analysis. And to say that off the bat, again my analysis of last week has been pretty accurate. Okay, so just to show you this short part of the previous MK block summary. Okay, I wish you a great Sunday and a great trading week next week. We know from experience when we had 2 good easy weeks, things can change, so keep that in the mind, in the back of your head. But as you can see from my analysis, there's a good likelihood that what I said will happen. Yeah, the dollar pairs come off, the metals come off, the yen pairs come up. You see, like something like that. Also taking into account the news. So just keep that in mind, wait for the right setups, and then, you know, pull the trigger if all the conditions for your trades are in front of you. Okay, so I said the dollar pairs come down, the yen pairs come up, and that's basically exactly what happened. And it wasn't difficult to predict that based on the market structure. Yeah. So euro dollar, remember, it came up, all right, then the shorties left, the squeeze curve collapsed, 4-hour reversal energy took over, and then bit by bit, in a bumpy right fashion as expected, boom, okay, euro dollar came down, took the order gap zone, okay, went all the way down to the lower 4-hour reversal band, all right, and then some longies came in and it cleared the low. So euro dollar came down during the week against the longies, right? And surprise, surprise, the yen pairs did an up move. Okay, let's just quickly go to dollar yen. Yeah, we had the option strike target long. Boom, up move on the 12th, 14th. 15th, look at that, okay? So that is a great prediction, all right? Look at that. The euro dollar and the dollar pairs going down, the yen pairs going up. Not difficult to predict, okay? Because we had the long option strike target in dollar yen, which is motivation for the smart money to let the price go up, especially after the long is finally left and the squeeze line collapsed. Okay? I'm very proud that I can make those predictions, and even here in the public, yeah. Show me another trader who does it, who says 1 week, look, this is a scenario which I expect, and then the scenario happens in front of your eyes in real time. I think that's powerful. All these ICT traders, when do they ever make this analysis and predictions in public? They never do that. So what does that tell you? Yeah. Okay, so anyways, let's continue. So of course, the other things happened as well. So pound dollar, we had the open option strike target short. So also pound dollar came down. Boom, here the 14th, look at that. Option strike targets filled, beautiful trade, loads of pips there in the pocket. Boom, goes all the way down, takes the 30-minute and 1-hour chart. Option strike targets, beautiful trade, easy peasy, all right? And you see on the day chart how the money changed from shorties to longies and how the highs have been cleared. So we have a post stop hunt scenario even on top of that. Okay, very, very good trade, very easy. Okay, let's continue first. And Australian dollar the same. So on the 12th we see a pin exactly to the option strike target, and after that, boom, continues down, filling the other ones. Okay, and then on the 15th, you can see clearly, okay, how it came down nicely as expected. Kiwi dollar the same, okay, open option strike targets short, they're correlated. Boom, also takes first with a pin bar in the news, but then properly comes down, look at that, as predicted last week towards the MTS. All right, all the way down, takes the MTS. So the dollar pairs came down, the yen pairs came up. Beautiful. Excuse me. Whenever those scenarios take place, these are very strong weeks, and we can collect loads of pips because these are easy trades. Yeah, very easy trades. Beautiful. And dollar cut, of course, correlated to the yen. Dollar yen, for example, also came up towards its own MTS. See how the market structure in each pair completely was aligned with that prediction. Yeah, we had the targets above the yen pairs, below the dollar pairs, and therefore, of course, like here also in dollar cut, MTS above the price. Boom, so of course it goes for it. So easy trades, easy predictions, and very nice moves in all the main pairs. Fantastic week, okay? Very, very strong week. So pound dollar, let's go a bit into this, was a bit more complex, because obviously if pound dollar goes down, dollar yen goes up. Pound yen needs to decide where to go, and as you can see here, that's why we have this whipsaw price action. But as you can see, they take the order gap zone, they take the MTS, and in the end they followed dollar yen up towards the MTS. Euro yen, similar, yeah, we had this super nice option strike targets, boom, they got filled. Also an amazing trade here as predicted in euro yen, bang, okay, one of the best trades as well. Just took the option strike targets. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, these are easy trades, this is not difficult. Forex will never become more easy than that in an easy week like that, okay? So as you can see, so option strike targets got taken, the MTS got taken with a pin, all right, and then they moved towards the upper MTS. And not only that, the other pairs also give some amazing setups. You remember with Euro Aussie with the option strike target and Pound Aussie as well. Euro Aussie here on the 14th with the MTS above the price. Boom, the price moves towards there over the next 20 hours with 4-hour reversal energy. Beautiful trade, easy trade. Pound Aussie, similar. Okay, took the MTS, then went exactly down from the target. Took the lower MTS, and then took the upper MTS. So plenty of trade setups for you. The metals, so you remember we had loads of MTS, option strike targets below the price, so they finally came off. And as you can see, next week there's a chance the metals come down further. The more shorties leave, the more the smart money can take those option strike targets. Same is true for silver also. It went down as expected as an MTS below the price. And if some longies come in and some shorties leave, they will go for the lower targets, for example. Yeah. Bitcoin, as I've showed, did new highs, beautiful, just went up and up and up. And then at some point, did this breather on the 14th. You can see we have only longies dominating, so it does a breather down. Okay, so it's not a crime to cash in a bit in Bitcoin there, and as expected, did the pullback. Okay, just euro pound for completeness, took the upper MTS. Had an option strike target short, beautiful little trade there, filled it, and at an MTS. I didn't trade that one, but it was very tradable. So you see, the last analysis was spot on. This was a fantastic week. Amazing trades in all pairs, basically. Main pairs and side pairs, easy trades. No nasty moves. You could basically just take your pips off the market here. Simple as that. This is a trader's dream, all right? If you're serious about Forex, you can't ignore this stuff here. Lots of love. Take care.